I've known Saliha for a long time, but for these past few years, I'm grateful to say that we've become very close. The more I learn about you, Saliha, the more I find myself asking the same question. How can one person be good at so many things? MashaAllah. Whether it's excelling in school, making amazingly delicious and beautifully decorated cake pops for dinner parties, helping me with my makeup, or just being a great friend, Saliha never ceases to amaze me. And that was only part of the list. I know that you're going to do great at UMKC, inshallah, and continue to make us proud. Congratulations.
I'm so excited to be here tonight to celebrate the graduation of one of my closest friends. I say friend, but over the years we've actually grown so close that we're more like family. The Laco family, all of you guys, have brought us into your home, you fed us your delicious food, and you've made us feel so welcome that we forget that we're not in our own house. And Saliha, you are beautiful, talented, intelligent, and one of the most genuinely kind people that I know, mashallah. And I'm certain that no matter what you choose to do, you will be extremely successful, as long as you stay true to your wonderful personality and beautiful heart.
I'm really glad I got to go to school with Saliha for the past 3 years. I'm really going to miss seeing you next year. Even though I didn't see you too much in the hallway, every time I saw you, I got really excited, as you can tell. Mr. Hodson's physics class. That's all I have to say. Even though we had to suffer through that, I'm glad we got to suffer through it together. And I wish you the best of luck in college, and we know you're going to succeed, inshallah. And love you.